losing my mind here. What the fuck? Nothing now.
Hi there, my name is Nihad Nasupovic. I'm from Switzerland and I'm a 3D motion graphics artist working at Maximida in Bern. Before that, I've been studying graphic design mainly in print, and I've been trying for about 5 years now putting a game together called Raindrop, and I'm the founder of it, if you will.
Hi, my name is Max Ramirez and I'm a game developer from Guatemala. I devoted the last 4 years of my life to the development of Raindrop. I'm mainly in charge of modeling, texturing, and implementing all environmental assets and props into our game. I also plan, prototype, and design all gameplay mechanics and puzzles within Raindrop.
You need to know, Raindrop is developed by only me and Max at the moment. So I'm responsible for 3D modeling, texturing, animation, music for now.
Nihad and I have spent an extreme amount of time trying to push the source engine to its limits. But these limitations have barriers. Until recently, we decided to use Unity 3D as our engine. Raindrop's art direction is a combined mixture of several elements which create a unique and different experience than most genres out there. We wanted to bring different science fiction elements and use realism as the driving force factor.
Tarkovsky's Stalker, 12 Monkeys and the crazy storytelling, District 9 with the sci-fi elements, and of course games like Stalker, Myst, or Fallout series, the Half-Life series are a great inspiration for us.
Each environment is hand-designed throughout the process of laying out 2D maps and then converting them into 3D objects. Therefore, we designed each level so that it's perfectly crafted around the player's perspective.
Places like these are goldmine. I mean, not only we collect textures from here, we also collect the surrounding foliage and leaves that we later scan in and make textures out of it, of course.
Raindrop will include various different types of puzzles. Design these puzzles so that there's various levels of difficulty and different types of puzzles, so that this way players will be uniquely entertained each time they encounter one.
Raindrop is titled as survival game. There's a big focal point on that, but Raindrop is more than this. It is totally up to you how you're gonna play it.
Intuitive and complex puzzles are not the only thing that you will encounter in Raindrop. There will be several different types of enemies that you also have to either sneak around or fight.
You can play the whole game without firing a single shot, but you can try to play Rambo and shoot your way through. But it isn't going to be that easy, because Raindrop has a high difficulty level, and per puzzle you are solving, the difficulty level is increasing. So why are we on Kickstarter in the first place? Well, first of all, Kickstarter has a great community, which we would like to use, of course, and we want every single backer to be able to suggest things that we could build into the game. Me and Max alone can't create such a huge game, so we need additional funds to contract people, especially programmers who are able to help us out with stuff.
Because we spent countless days and hours towards the development of Raindrop, we are truly committed into creating a unique experience.
I hope you enjoyed this short presentation of our game Raindrop, and I really hope you're as hooked as we are and help us kickstart this project into reality.
Thank you for taking the time to view this video. We hope that we have your support and your interest as well.